So we've made our cat bounce across the screen from side to side. But if you notice his movements, it looks more like he's sliding rather than walking. How do we make him walk in such a way that it looks somewhat realistic, where it seems like he's actually taking steps? Now, to do this, we go to the Costumes tab on the top and take a look. When you click on the Costumes tab, you can see that there's Costume 1, which is what we are seeing on the screen. It looks very similar. It's the cat with his legs spread out. And below that, you've got Costume 2. This is where he is about to take a step. You can see his legs are close together. So legs close together, legs far apart. Now, if we alternate between these two costumes very rapidly, very fast, you can see that it almost looks like he is walking. Now, this is how TV shows that are cartoons and movies actually work, or at least most of them actually work. There's different costumes, or there's different movements that are put together in such a way and at such high speed, it looks like a continuous movement. So we need to find a way to switch between the costumes while the cat is walking. Now, to do this is very simple. We go back to the Scripts tab, and then we go to this tab that says Looks. We click on it, and as we go down towards the middle, we'll see there's a piece there that says Next Costume. Now, what this means is that the cat must switch to its next costume. Now, when will this happen? Let's drag this and put it after move 10 steps. Now, let's try and understand this code. What's going to happen here is when the green flag is clicked, in other words, when the game starts, then forever the next 3 steps are going to continuously repeat themselves. First, the cat will move 10 steps, then he will change costume, then if he's on the edge, he will bounce. So this is going to be continuous. Now let's look at it with the Costumes tab. So the cat will move 10 steps forward, and then he will change to the next costume. Move another 10 steps, and then he'll move to the next. But since there isn't a next costume, he will move back to the top. So he will continuously alternate between these two costumes. Back to the Scripts tab. Now we hit the green flag, and there we have it. We see our cat running rather rapidly, but this looks much more realistic than him doing a slide across the screen. The thing is, he's moving a bit too fast for us. So now how do we slow him down a bit? So before we slow him down, let's stop him, and then we go to the Control tab. Inside the Control tab, we'll find this piece here that says wait 1 sec, right? Now this is short for seconds. So we drag this and drop it at the end after the if on edge bounce. So let's just quickly go over the order in which our pieces appear. Firstly, when flag clicked. Second, forever. And forever encompasses everything. It's wrapping everything. And inside forever, we've got move 10 steps, next costume, if on edge bounce, and wait 1 sec. Right? So we're going to change this to 0.01. So 0.1 second is 1/10 of a second. So we go and run our game. And now we see our cat is taking a nice stroll without being in too much of a hurry.
Thank you for watching this lesson. If you're interested in doing more awesome courses like this one, check out our website. Link is in the description below.